In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo any task on Notion 2025 with this full guide. If you've ever made an error in Notion and wish there was a simple way to take it back, you'll be relieved to know that you're in the right place. We're going to explore a straightforward method to undo your mistakes in Notion using a couple of easy steps. Let's dive right in and make sure you're in control of your work, all without breaking a sweat. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Notion page you're working on. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything we're about to do. Whether you're using Notion for taking notes, tracking projects, or any other tasks, being on the correct page ensures that you're applying the undo feature to the right set of changes. So take a moment and make sure you're on the page where the changes need to be undone. Now, onto the main event, undoing your task. The simplest and most efficient way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z. This is a universal option across many software platforms, and Notion is no exception. By pressing these keys simultaneously, you're instructing Notion to revert the most recent change. It's a swift and effective method, allowing you to correct any accidental modifications or mistakes without having to go through a menu or settings. This classic shortcut can be your best friend when you're navigating through your digital workspace. While Ctrl+Z works like a charm, it's always a good idea to double check and ensure that the undo action has performed exactly as intended. Keep an eye on your page to verify that your desired changes are implemented. If additional undo steps are needed, you can press Ctrl+Z repeatedly until you reach the point where everything looks perfect again. A little tip for you to keep in mind: if you've made several changes and need to undo multiple actions, you can continue to use Ctrl+Z to go back further in your change history. This can be especially handy when you've made a series of edits and realize you need to revert them one by one. Once you're comfortable with this command, you'll find it becomes an indispensable part of your Notion workflow. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you can effortlessly undo any task in Notion, making it easier to correct mistakes and streamline your workflow. Mastering this simple shortcut can save you time and hassle, ensuring that your Notion experience remains smooth and stress-free. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Notion more efficiently. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity in Notion 2025.